Hello and welcome to the next video. In this one we will be going over the Seo Checker, the first of the tools you have at your disposal here. And this tool is made for checking and analyzing one simple web page. So you can use this, for example, if you publish a new blog post, or if you change one thing or multiple things on one page and you want to check how it improved. We will use this on one of the recent WordPress blog articles, so you can get like the impression of how it works and what you can learn from it. There you go. This is you simply paste the link of the page you want to analyze and tap on this button here. And I need to wait a few seconds, and then we will get the score. As you can see here, the score of the website. You can see here that the score is 70.4 out of 100, so there's certainly a room for improvement. You can see how it spans through five different categories, and you can also view a preview from mobile and a desktop version. Okay, let's go over to the basic, which is our first category. And here you can see that you have multiple things, and you have score for each of them. So for example, Google Snippet has score 90 out of 100, and it also gives you usually gives you a tip, and it also gives you what to improve or what to solve to reach 100 point score. Okay, so you can see that in the title seems too long, and it would be better if you would make it shorter and stuff like that. So you can see, yeah, here as well. There we go. Okay, and then the second category is content. Here you can see that again we have the score for each of these little things, and you also get what to solve, and often you get also the tip that tells you how to that helps you to improve it as well. The next one is speed, and here you have the option of looking at the desktop score, again 71, or at the mobile score. And again you have here the tips and possible improvements for each of those versions. So for mobile version and for a desktop version. Okay, next category is social, and here you can see we have 100% score on this preview on social sites, which is great. But we are missing something on the Twitter card and video, and on the blog post there is no social plugins at all. So yeah. So that's about it. You also have the option to download PDF, so you can go over it offline or send it to anyone. And once you implement some of the changes or improved your page, you can simply tap on Analyze again, or just paste the URL here again and tap on Analyze again to see how your page score improved once you implemented some changes. Okay, that's all for this tool. In the next one, we'll be going over the Seo Spider. And the main difference between Seo Checker and Seo Spider is that with the checker, you can basically analyze one single page. With the Spider, you can analyze the whole website. So you just paste a domain name, and it'll tell you the score for the whole domain instead of just one page. Okay, see you in the next video, and see you soon.